That's our hotel. That one. Right there. Except we're staying like... Oh, that's our hotel. It's pretty cool. We're actually gonna go check out the mall. And try and do some mall things. Just to see what else is in here aside from a sparkly blue bikini. Which might come home with me. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, this is not the cheapo mall. This is the super upper echelon, I can't afford anything mall. But it is amazing in here. And it is very cool to walk through. So what do you think?
It's a big.
It's a little intense. Go that way.
It really is like Times Square.
It 100% is just like Times Square.
Except with an Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, I don't think they have one of those in New York.
But it's a little one.
A little baby one. So this is crap. Where did we just?
Cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan. It's like, what did we just walk into?
It's very sparkly.
Wicked sparkly. Sleep in this hotel.
I guess you don't.
What? Whether to carry your sweatshirt or not?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want it. Do you want me to carry the bag?
It would probably be less manly if I carry it.
I got it. So where are we going? I'm starving.
Breakfast.
Please eat. Please eat.
This is super fancy.
I really like this hotel. It's very fancy. It's super cool. We need to go out that way, right?
Yes.
Okay. That way. Over there. That door. It pushes. It doesn't pull. That was almost the door. I don't know how this camera works.
I'm guessing it's not very deep because he's only like thigh deep.
It may not be deep right where he's at. Like, see how there's also the boat?
Well, we look down here.
That looks like it's pretty deep. That's what I mean. Like, maybe where he is, because that's where all those little pedestals are. That may not be so deep.
Right.
But it's maintenance time. It's maintenance time. It's the Bellagio.
There's another dude there.
There's two of them?
Yeah, look in the middle of the two boats.
Oh.
There's another guy.
Huh. I wonder how they like their job.
It looks like it's like a floating toolbox and crane so they can bring them like up to the surface to work on them.
That's cool. I guess there aren't any shows this morning. What do you think?
Maybe that's how people sleep at the hotel. Welcome back. We need to turn right here.
Get it. I wanted it.
You did a nice job.
I can't afford anything in here. Alright, so we're going to Caesar's Palace and go to
The buffet.
Had a particular name.
Jon something or other.
No, it was something about the Bacchanal.
Bacchanal,
Yeah,
yeah.
because Bach. Is it Bacchus? There's a Greek god of wine and pleasure, and I think his name is. It starts with Bach.
Okay.
I remember that very clearly. I can't remember the rest of it. So hungry. I'm starving. You hungry?
Very.
I'm hungry. We need to go eat. That is not what I anticipated. 100%. I did not expect a piece of glass. They do that on purpose, though. Whoa! Wow! We should stay here next time. This place is super cool.
We made it.
Blackstone. That's his name, Blackstone. We're at a giant buffet. I have to sit here. You guys don't need to sit here and eat us, like watch us eat, right? Eat us and the stuff, right? You're good? I can go eat? Okay. One down, one to go. We're gonna try this other side because we didn't go down that way. So we're one plate in.
They hide the healthy stuff in a corner.
Cheese counter. There's a cheese counter over there. I know.
I'm never gonna get her to leave.
I love this place, if not for the little book that we pulled out of our cab yesterday.
That's right.
And wow, did we come at the right time. And here you were complaining about the line that we already... We are so good at this game. So good at this game. Now we don't know what to do because we only have about an hour before we need to be at the Neon Graveyard, which we're really scoping out for another film project. But we have like an hour, maybe not even an hour to kill. So
Right.
I don't know. Where do you want to walk around? Do you want to walk through? Where would you like to go?
Came in that way.
So cool. I can't tell if they're glass or ceramic. They might have to be ceramic because it's a lot of work for glass.
Well, and you'd never be able to work it without it like as one solid piece.
That's right. Probably ceramic. Oh, beautiful. I like this little store. Look at the shelf. Okay, I'm gonna do related things and then I'm gonna go in there and price out some. It's all out. Hi.
Yeah,
Yes.
reserved in advance.
This is a downtown Las Vegas casino. It's still around. You can tell me which one. All you have to do is figure out what this yellow blob in the middle is.
All right, so are we going downtown?
Yeah, we can.
We can. It's not like it's that far.
Okay, so we're gonna walk downtown.
Yeah. Is it far?
We're here.
Uh-oh, my battery's dying.
All right, so we're the blue dot,
Okay.
and it's like right here.
Okay, so how far is that?
Well,
Like something like Fremont. That works. 15 minutes?
15-minute walk.
That's not terrible. I mean, we
So-
could do it. Do you want to?
Yeah, we can try that.
Whoa!